So to insert an image in Google Docs, simply go to the insert menu item at the top there, and then select image, and then you have all these options. So you can upload an image saved on a computer. You can search the web for a specific image. You can add one from your Google Drive, one from the Photos app. You can even fire up the camera, maybe a webcam connected to your computer, or you can paste a link to any image on the internet and it's going to be available for you in Google Docs. Now, for me, I'm just going to upload one from my computer. So when I click that, I can go into images and I can find a picture, any picture like this one, click on open, and it's going to get uploaded into my Google Docs document. So from here, I can select the image, I can resize it, I can align it left or right. I can do everything I would want to do with this image inside Google Docs. All right, let me just center it like that. Beg your pardon, let me just undo that. I'm just gonna push it to the center. Just like that. Okay, so that is basically how to add an image or how to insert an image inside your Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.